Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we put together the sounds in words. So this is kind of silly because I'm going to say the first sound and then the whole rest of the word after, and you need to put those sounds together to tell me what word it makes. Okay, are you ready? Listen. Butterfly. Put the sounds together. Butterfly. One more time. Butterfly. Do you know what my word is? It's a butterfly. Aw. Okay, next word is a tiger. Put those sounds together. Tiger. One more time. Tiger. Did you get it? Tiger with stripes on him. Okay, now we have a buffalo. Buffalo. One more time. Buffalo. Do you know what this animal is? He's a buffalo. Okay, now let's do parrot. Parrot. One more time. Parrot. What's my word? Oh, he's beautiful. Parrot. Parrot. Now we have beaver. Again, beaver. One more time. Beaver. Have you ever seen one of these? He's a beaver. Beaver for beaver. And our last one is going to be bear. Bear. Put those sounds together. It's not the word air because I'm saying something else at the beginning. Bear. What's that word? Ha ha. A bear. And he's a cute one. Okay, I hope that you had fun. See you again.